What's good, YouTube? It's AG Mendoza. Welcome to another edition of Eats on the Life of AG. So your boy's hungry. We're about to eat it fresh off the press. Chef Erica Mama.
I just woke up from night shift and I cooked this shit from him.
What is that, Erica?
Deep fried palabok balls. Oh.
Deep fried palabok balls on deck in full effect. Alright. Are you gonna eat one with me?
I just ate two. I never
And they're hella big.
I never tried the food I cook. Like this one was the first time I was like, I have to fucking try
Can
this.
you try? Oh. Yo.
Belly.
Ooh. Yo, look at that, y'all. Oh, steaming. Cheers. Mmm.
It's fire.
Bruh. Feature on bits as the breaded code. Oh my gosh.
I did a patis egg wash.
A patis egg wash. Another bite. Oh! Oh! We just picked up some grub, some schmackadocious grub to be exact, from Chef Erica Mama on deck. Fried, deep fried, chicharron breaded palabok balls. Woo! Have y'all ever even heard of that? Because I haven't, even though I'm the one who thought of it. But Erica, shout out to Erica for bringing it to life, y'all. Hey, she brings all these like schmackadocious wonders back to reality. Yo. We're gonna be waiting for Nicole. Nicole's on the way. Nicole Mappa with me. We're all about to try out these balls.
I can't eat this. I'm gonna eat it anyways.
Wait!
I'm gonna eat this palabok ball.
Guess who made it into town?
That's really good. I think this is pork and then a whole bunch of noodles. Oh, look at that drizzle! Type of NM. So good. I like how the noodles are super soft in the middle. Look at this. Oh, that's a full ass shrimp. Look at that. This one right here. Wow, I'm just so happy. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Under new ownership. Can I eat another one?
Me and Nicole are enjoying these palabok balls. And this guy.
Guys,
This guy.
never run 6 miles fasted and not eat for another few hours after. First, you apply warm compress on the ulcer. I use warm compress and it helped.
This motherfucker does not know how to turn.
Hey, so we're gonna meet you at Foodieland.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yo, we got the umai truffle dog in full effect. About to do a...
It's the Hallelujah bang bang, baby. Bacon, baby. Gang bang, but bang bang. Really? I'm gonna eat this thing.
I got that smoked applewood. Got that smoked applewood on. Got that smoked applewood on.
Eat that wiener.
Got some sauteed, some caramelized onions, some sauteed mushrooms.
Oh my god.
The truffle sauce on Dizek with a fat wiener. We got the hella ube on that, looking hella scrumptious. And we got the ube on ube ice cream sandwich. Looking schmackadocious. Let's go. Let's bring it back to the homies. Oh, let me get the drunk. all these treats. Here's the ube ice cream sandwich on deck. Ube madness, y'all. Check this out. I don't know if I can fit this in my mouth.
Yeah, this is just a cupcake. You know what that's
This is a ube overload right now. Some ube madness, some ube schmackness. We got the ube macaroon that I just ate. It's gone. We got a ube like whip on top with a ube muffin, along with some ube ice cream. Yo. Cheers, guys.
Delicious.
Here's lechon
Take
mosugi.
it to the neck. Oh, yeah.
You can definitely use more sauce, but the crunch from the lechon kawali is definitely there. I would like just a tad bit less rice, but the seaweed makes up for it.
Yeah, it was really good. I like this one a lot.
Oh. Not least, man, we got the Wow Wow Lemonade on deck. Got the brother Alex, SCUVA Steve-O behind the camera. Nicole taking a picture. But yeah, Foodieland night market, day 2 of the first Foodieland ever here in NorCal. Yo, it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. Lines were super long, like pretty early too. So pretty surprised about that. But still got a good amount of food, good amount of schmackness, good amount of grub. Yo, next time Life of AG, we out here. Peace.
Bye.
I'm just here so I don't get fined.
Bye.
I'm just here so I don't get fined.